And happening right now, the city of Brownsville inviting the community to learn more about hurricane preparation at a hurricane awareness fair until 9 p.m. tonight. That's happening at the Brownsville Public Library System on Central Boulevard. It's a free family event that prepares residents for hurricane season. You can expect presentations, equipment displays, as well as many other things that they'll have there, including prizes and free food and beverages for the first 1,500 attendees.